So you may have noticed, or maybe you haven't, that YouTube is now including clickable hashtags on YouTube videos. In this video, we're going to break down what that's all about and exactly what it could mean for you.
Deliver your value.
Hi and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier and I am here to help you deliver your value to the world. So whether you've seen them or not, they're there and they are hashtags, not just hashtags, but clickable hashtags. YouTube is now in the hashtag game and they are providing them to you as a way to find related content based on hashtag. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they're going to work and how you may be able to use them to your advantage. Alright, so here are the basics. For one thing, any hashtags that you include in your description are now going to be displayed up to the first 3 of them right above your title. These are actually clickable hashtags that people can click on to drill into search results related to that particular hashtag. So you may have noticed on some channels, maybe you see their channel name as a hashtag or some other keyword as a hashtag as well. Well, those are actually coming from hashtags that they included in their description, and YouTube has gone in there and grabbed up to the first 3 of them that it finds. Now you also have the ability to add a hashtag directly to the title. That is also clickable and brings you to search results in the same way that the other hashtags do. So I was sitting here trying to think about good ways that you could actually use these hashtags to your advantage. Obviously, if they're on your channel, then using your channel name as a hashtag isn't going to be super relevant in trying to get them to your content, because after all, they're already there. But then it occurred to me, what if we started using hashtags as a collaboration? All right, so consider this. You and another channel that perhaps share an overlapping audience want to collab. Well, what's a really simple way to collaborate? Well, get together with that channel and come up with a unique hashtag that only the 2 channels are using. That way, if you promote that hashtag on both channels, when somebody clicks on the hashtag, they are going to see a mix of your content and content from that other channel. Now, it remains to be seen all the different ways that we might be able to put the hashtags that are now on YouTube to work to help us grow our channels, but it's interesting to see that YouTube has gone that route, and it's just one more potential tool in our arsenal to help our channels grow and to help deliver your value to the world. So I just wanted to give you some insight into why you're seeing hashtags and what it could mean to you, and maybe some ways that you might be able to use it. I'll drop some links in the description to articles that also talk about this new feature so you guys can check them out. And who knows, if you have a good suggestion about how we can use hashtags to our advantage to help grow our channel, maybe collaborate as I was saying, or for any other reason, definitely let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget, this video is sponsored by #TubeBuddy, the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free, and there's a link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If this is your first time on the channel, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you're alerted to future videos that help you deliver your value to the world. That's all the time we have for today. My name is Dan Courier, and you're watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.